And the India bloc ally of the Congress party, the JDU, also stands with Rahul Gandhi, taking on Himanta Biswa Sarma for making that statement, saying that the statement made by the Assam Chief Minister is childish as opposed to the Nyay Yatra of the Congress party, which is inclusive.
ये उनका बयान जो है बचकाना है। ये सभी वर्गों, सभी समूहों को लेकर के की गई है और भारतीय जनता पार्टी और उससे जुड़े हुए संगठन हर बात को, हर सवाल को सांप्रदायिक चश्मे से देखते हैं, which is wrong.
My colleague Nyamika joins us on the broadcast. Nyamika, the face-off continuing as Rahul Gandhi is in Assam. He trained his guns at Himanta Biswa Sarma, calling him the most corrupt chief minister. Himanta Biswa Sarma also hitting back, but it looks like the India bloc allies are also rallying behind the Congress party over this statement.
Well, absolutely, a war of words have erupted between the Congress party and the BJP as the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has hit out at the Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, as he has called Himanta Biswa Sarma as the most corrupt Chief Minister, as that is the reason why the Chief Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sarma, had also replied to the comments which are being made by Rahul Gandhi, and he has called the Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra as the Mia Yatra, as he has alleged that this Yatra is representing just one particular section of the Muslim community. It is going through the Muslim dominated areas, and that is the reason why Himanta Biswa Sarma has called it a Mia Yatra. So that kind of attack has come on the part of the Assam Chief Minister, but it is the Congress party along with the other India Alliance bloc parties who have come out in support of Rahul Gandhi, and the Congress is saying that basically Himanta Biswa Sarma is rattled because of the success of the Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra, the manner in which people are coming to welcome Rahul Gandhi, and for that reason Himanta Biswa Sarma is not really happy with the reception which the Congress Yatra is getting in the state of Assam, and that is the reason why he is making such kind of allegations. On the other hand, the JDU leader KC Tyagi has also responded over the same, and he has called it a childish statement on the part of the Assam Chief Minister, and he also said that this Yatra is inclusive of all the communities, it is representing all the communities, so making such kind of statements is not right on the part of the Assam Chief Minister, and he has said that it is the habit of the BJP to see each and everything through the lens of religion. So that is the kind of attack which the India bloc parties are making upon the BJP and the Assam Chief Minister, because the Congress party has been saying that this Yatra is nothing to do with the politics, it has nothing to do with the elections. This Yatra is to listen to the people of this country, to listen to their voices and to give justice, to demand for their justice after Rahul Gandhi is meeting with different sections of these states, whether it is about Manipur, Nagaland or even in Assam.
Absolutely. And Himanta Biswa Sarma, in fact, also went on to say that Rahul Gandhi is visiting the areas where the minority population is substantial. Meanwhile, after this dig came in from the Assam Chief Minister, Nyamika, Rahul Gandhi has also planned some parallel events on the 22nd January when the Pran Pratishtha will be taking place in Ayodhya.
Well, absolutely. On January 22nd, it is being informed to us that Rahul Gandhi is going to visit a temple of Saint Shankaradev, as he is a great saint in the state of Assam, and he has been worshipped in each and every household of Assam just like a god, and that is the reason why Rahul Gandhi is expected to visit his temple on January 22nd. However, the Congress party is saying that it should not be related with the consecration ceremony that is going to take place in Ayodhya on January 22nd. The Yatra of the Congress party has a separate route, and Rahul Gandhi is only following that particular route which was being decided for this Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra. On the other hand, many of the senior leaders of the Congress party is saying that this is a welcome step on the part of the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, as in the last Bharat Jodo Yatra also he has visited several temples, and that is what he is following even in this Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra as well.